Barbara Walters, the trailblazing U.S. news anchor, passed away at age 93. She was a pioneer in broadcasting that was loved by many around the world. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV's Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. The year 2022 that just passed has been a year full of laughter, fun and excitement. But it was also a year that full of sad moments as we have lost some of our greatest media personalities and television presenters of all time. This one, Barbara Walters, touched many lives around the world, and we just want to remember her in this series that we're about to do. Pioneer U.S. news broadcaster Barbara Walters passed away at age 93 years old after her career spanning half a century. She became the first U.S. female network news anchor when she joined the ABC News Network in 1976. Born in Boston at the start of the Great Depression in 1929, during her illustrious career, she won 12 Emmy Awards, as well as every U.S. president from Richard Nixon to Donald Trump she interviewed. She interviewed a host of music and also pop culture stars, including Michael Jackson. Barbara Walters passed away peacefully in her home surrounded by loved ones, according to Signe Berger in a statement on Friday. She lived her life well, with no regret. She was a trailblazer not only for female journalists, but for all women. The show business booking agent's daughter began her career in journalism in 1961 with the ABC network, where she became a segment producer for the woman's interest stories. She rose through the rank of male-dominated industry to make history in 1974 by becoming the first female co-host of a U.S. news program on ABC Morning Today show. She broke the glass again by becoming the first female network news anchor on ABC's Evening Bulletin. Her unprecedented $1 million salary made her a media superstar. She retired from a 52-year career in 2014 with her last appearance on her daytime show The View. During this episode, she was joined on the program by Hillary Clinton and media mogul Oprah Winfrey, who were both frequent to interview subjects on the show. Hundreds took to social media just in order to express condolences to her family and friends, and we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences as well to her family and friends, as I know she was well loved in the media world and also the entertainment world. This is where we're going to leave this report though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out, have a blessed and productive day, and Happy New Year to you all.